In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a moody cinematic black and white AI portrait photo using ChatGPT. Whether you're an aspiring photographer or simply looking to explore the power of AI in art, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process of transforming your ordinary photo into a stunning, dramatic work of art. To begin, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Google. Once you're on the home page, click into the search bar and type in ChatGPT. This is the AI platform we'll be using to create our beautiful cinematic portrait. When the search results are displayed, look for the official ChatGPT website link and click on it to open their portal. Once you're on the ChatGPT website, you'll see a dashboard with several options. Look towards the right-hand side of the screen until you find a plus sign, and go ahead and click that. This action will allow you to add new content to the platform. You'll be presented with several options, but for our purposes, focus on clicking the option that says Add Photos and Files. Next, a window should pop up, allowing you to browse through your computer files. This is where you'll select the photo you want to transform. Choose a portrait that you think has the potential for a dramatic and moody outcome. It's crucial that the photo you select has good resolution and clear features, as this will enhance the final product. Now that you have your photo loaded onto the ChatGPT interface, the real fun begins. You'll need to type a specific prompt into the input field. For this tutorial, you might use something like, create a dramatic black and white cinematic close-up portrait with chiaroscuro lighting, emphasizing one side of the face, sharp eyes, rich texture, and a dark minimal background. This prompt instructs the AI on how to approach the transformation, setting the tone and style you wish to achieve. After you've entered your prompt, the next step is simple. Click on the Submit button. This action will start the AI's image processing magic. As ChatGPT works on your request, be patient. It may take a few moments. Once the process is complete, you'll have a transformed image, showcasing the moody black and white cinematic style you asked for. And there you have it. With just a few straightforward steps, you've used ChatGPT to create a beautiful cinematic portrait. This technique is not only a powerful tool for photographers looking to expand their portfolio and skills, but it's also a great way for anyone interested in visual art to experiment with AI technology. Don't be afraid to tweak the prompt or try different photos to see what unique results you can produce. Happy creating!